Famous for its handicrafts is Aba, the commercial capital of Abia State, located in southeastern Nigeria. Aba is one of the most commercially vibrant cities in Nigeria. Residents of the city are renowned for their enterprising spirit and commercial endeavors, making the city one of Nigeria's most famous commercial hubs. What is today known as the city of Aba was established by the Ngwa clan of the Igbo people as a market town. The city lies along the west bank of Aba River at the intersection of roads leading to Enugu, Port Harcourt, Owerri, Umuahia, Ikot Ekpene and Ikot-Abasi. The city of Aba became a collecting point for agricultural products, following the railway line that runs through it from Enugu to Port Harcourt. Aba is well known for its craftsmen. The population of the city is projected to be over 2 million. In 1901, the British founded a military post in Aba, and in 1915, a railway was constructed to link it to Port Harcourt, which transported agricultural goods such as palm oil and palm kernel. In 1929, Aba was the site of a revolt by Igbo women, which is known as Aba Women Riot. By 1930, Aba was becoming a large urban town with established industrial complex. But today, a lot has changed. Aba is now one of the most vibrant cities in Nigeria and the commercial hub of eastern Nigeria. Aba is surrounded by oil wells which separate it from the city of Port Harcourt. A 30-kilometer pipeline powers Aba with gas from Imo River Natural Gas Repository. The city's major economic contribution are textile and palm oil, along with cosmetics. The trade marks the Area International Market the second largest market in Nigeria after Onitsha Main Market. Due to the influx of traders and buyers into the city of Aba, Aba is surrounded by numerous markets, among which are Area International Market, Ahioho, Ngwa Road Market, Cemetery Market, Ekoha Market, among others.
Ụmụ gị na-aga live ala gịnị mepere ihe na-eche